After unexpected medical bills, the plan centers on steady, measurable steps that rebuild credit without taking on new debt or penalties. First, they pull the full credit report, verify every line item, and dispute inaccuracies that unfairly drag scores down. Next, they add a low-limit secured credit card and maintain a tiny, timely payment rhythm to prove consistency. They also coordinate with lenders to report rent and utilities as creditable activity, transforming everyday payments into positive history. Over 12 months, disciplined usage, regular reviews, and smart debt management lift scores toward healthier financing options.